So I just want to talk a little bit about our first exam for ME14 for Mechanics of Solids. So as we mentioned at the beginning of the semester, there's going to be two midterm exams for this course. Now the material on these midterm exams is going to cover everything up until that exam. So everything that we've read in that chapter, the module we've done up to that point will be covered on this first exam. So I want to mention these exams are designed to be the remote equivalent of an in-class exam, but these are now going to be released through Blackboard, so you'll have a little bit more time. I wanted to provide an extra half an hour of time to allow for any type of technical issues and allow time to actually upload it and get it submitted through the Blackboard site. So you're going to have 2 hours to complete the exam rather than the traditional 90 minutes once the exam has been started. So you again will be released, so you'll get your exam through a Blackboard assignment, you'll scan it in and submit it back through Blackboard as well. It'll be in the same format that you've used for all your homework assignments, the same way you upload all your homework assignments through Blackboard, so it should be no surprises. It'll be exactly the same way. So for this first exam, getting into the details of it, it's going to consist of only 2 problems for this exam. It's going to cover materials from chapters 1 through 3 in your textbook, which is the equivalent of modules 1 through 5 as far as your lectures and material posted to Blackboard. Now this will be open book, open notes, open Blackboard, but keep in mind you only have 2 hours to complete those 2 problems, so please prepare as if this were an in-class exam and study as if you were going to come into class and take it and didn't have all those resources in front of you. So the exam will be released on Blackboard on Tuesday, March 9th at 9 a.m. You'll have 2 hours to complete the exam once it's been started. It'll be due Tuesday, March 9th by 11 a.m. So you'll submit your work through Blackboard the same way you would for the homeworks, and it'll be graded the same way as your homeworks are graded using that same rubric. So this is that rubric that will be used to grade your exams. Again, the same as the homeworks. 2 points for your format. Did you provide your name, the problem number, the givens, what they're asking you to solve for, the coordinate system, labels, units, all of that information is for 2 points there. Next 2 points is the neatness. How easy is it for the TA and the grader to go through and follow your work? Next 4 points, the bulk of it, did you choose the correct method, approach, governing equation? And lastly, did you get the final answer correct for the last 2 out of 10 points?